Did Cleopatra really bathe in milk every single day?
For centuries, that image defined her.
A symbol of beauty, luxury, seduction.
But history is written by her enemies. She ruled one of the richest kingdoms on earth.
Alexandria was the center of global trade. A world of knowledge surrounded her. And she mastered it. She spoke 9 languages.
Intelligence over image advisors.
She commanded fleets.
She negotiated with Rome. She outmaneuvered powerful men like Julius Caesar and formed alliances with Mark Antony. At the Battle of Actium, empires collide. Rome would not tolerate her independence. So they rewrote her story. The milk baths? Likely myth.
Her true power was never beauty.
It was strategy, language, political genius.
History remembers her as seduction, but Cleopatra ruled with her mind.